الحمد لله وحده والصلاة والسلام على من لا نبي بعده فأعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم مثل الجنة التي وعد المتقون فيها أنهار من ماء غير آسن وأنهار من لبن لم يتغير طعمه وأنهار من خمر عسل مصفى لهم فيها من كل الثمرات وقال الله تعالى في موضع آخر إن المجرمين في عذاب جهنم خالدون صدق الله العلي العظيم. My brother in Islam, I have just recited some verses of the Holy Quran wherein Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala discusses the topic of the heaven and the hell. So now I would like to shed light on this great topic. My dear dignitaries, in the light of these verses, the existence of heaven and hell. But is clear, but many people of this world don't accept the existence of heaven and hell. But according to Islamic viewpoint, they are not only exist, but it is necessary to believe in them or become Muslim. In fact, these two places are created. It begins reward and punishment of God system. Same as Ajay is prepared for being a Muslim. For punishment of Quranic holy system. Dear friends, may Allah protect us from the hellfire and existence of hell and give us tawfiq to live our life according to the Islamic teaching.